Hey, this is Adam Hooksema from ProjectionHub. In this video, I'm going to show you what to do if you see a REF, a reference error, in your ProjectionHub financial projection template. I'm going to show you how it probably got there, what it might mean, and what you can do about it. So oftentimes we'll have customers reach out to us and say, I'm getting ref errors throughout the model. And typically we're able to track that down, and the culprit a lot of times is deleting something in the model. So let me show you as an example. I'm using our B2B Enterprise SaaS template here as an example. I'm on the At a Glance tab, and so if we look at the profit and loss at a glance here, it looks good right now. So we're going to look at the Import Revenue tab here, and we are going to find a section that we're just going to delete. So we're going to say, hey, we don't have setup fees and services, so let's just maybe we'll highlight this whole section here. Whoops. And right click and we'll delete. All right. Then if we come back to the At a Glance tab, oh boy, we've got reference errors everywhere, right? So that is what a reference error means, is it's trying to reference a certain cell that no longer exists because we deleted it. So what you should do instead, I'm going to undo that delete. So let's say you don't have setup fees and services. Here's what you should do instead. Put in zeros everywhere here. Let's just put in 0, 0, 0. Put zeros in, and then instead of deleting, what we can do is we can highlight that section that we don't need, right click and click hide. So now if we hide that instead and we come back to our At a Glance tab, we can see that everything is still there, so no reference errors. So that is what you would want to do if you're seeing reference errors. It's probably because you deleted something, and a lot of times it's hard to track down what was deleted, and it's really hard to put it back. So oftentimes your best bet is to start with a fresh copy of the template. We always recommend don't delete tabs. You should hide tabs, hide rows that you don't need, zero them out and hide them, don't delete them. But if that is what you're seeing with a reference error, that's probably the issue. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out or leave a comment in the comment section of the video below. And reach out at support@projectionhub.com. Thanks.